hood on it.
Have somebody crawl down in there and do it.
Put the hood on it, have somebody crawl down in there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Meow! What the barn cat? Meow! Started up. Whoa, whoa, meow! Oh, shut it off! Shut it off!
Goddamn cat! Are you gonna do this or what?
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, am I didn't just the engine noises with the barn cat? I'm blind.
Well, sure. It's been rolling this whole time, so we got some editing to do.
Oh, okay. Yeah, a minute of editing.
Or we got some good material.
All right, guys. I'm gonna fire the duster up for the first time. Here we go. Oh shit! I had to kill it there. Let's give her another go. Oh fuck! There's barn cats in there.
We're not even close.